Guys, welcome to the start of this flight review. So basically, right now we're getting ready to go to Corfu. Obviously, this is pretty cool. I'm going to do another flight review. Hopefully I can even make it better, like editing it better and things. And by the way, guys, thank you for 800 subs. That's great. So I'm doing a different flight review again because last time I did a flight review I had about 400 subs or something. So obviously more people, I can share this with more people. Well, the last one did amazing. It got like 1.8k views. So hopefully this will be equally as good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Which airline do you think is the best? And I'm going on EasyJet in February to Geneva. Stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can have 1k by then. But anyway, let's just get into the flight review. So guys, we've just gotten into the terminal now. Our flight departs at 2:35, and so basically we're just going through. Well, we've been through security, which took quite quick actually, and then we'll be going to our gate in about 20.
He's got your body cards. This is the first new one that we got.
Was it a new plate?
Yeah, it was May 2nd, 2016. This one was manufactured, just for your information.
Very nice.
There you go. This is only 3 years old.
So guys, we're just boarding now. We've just started. We're in row 3 today, which is pretty close to the cockpit. Quite nice. So it's currently about 2:45. We are due to take off about now, so people are just keep on boarding and things. So hopefully this is a nice flight, about 3 hours or so. Same as the one to Thessaloniki. So hopefully it'll be a nice flight. Obviously to Corfu this time, and I'll get some plane spotting done. Sorry, it's just my sister at Corfu. Hopefully, just seeing the planes from like inside the plane probably, and in the terminal, and maybe even over our hotel because we're right next to the planes. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this flight review. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe.
That's been completed. We'll be able to close the doors, get the air bridge off, and tell air traffic control that we are ready. They do have a slot restriction for our departure, unfortunately. We're going to do our best to wiggle around that by telling them that we're ready. What happens basically is all the slots are coordinated in Brussels, and they'll send a message to Brussels to say that we're ready. If anybody misses their slot, basically we nick it. So we'll hope that that happens. If it doesn't, we might well taxi out to the runway so that we're in situ and ready to go at the earliest opportunity. But our earliest airborne slot is at 20 past, quarter past 3. So if we don't get to move, then we'll be starting engines and taxiing away at somewhere between 5 to and on the hour. Once we do get on the way, flight time to Corfu, 3 hours, climbing to 35,000 feet, expecting mostly smooth flight conditions. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened when you're in your seats, in case we encounter any unforecast turbulence. I'm going to fly the aeroplane to Corfu, so I'll speak to you along the way with some route information. I'll get back to you before we start our descent and let you know what the weather has in store for arrival.
League. I'm not sure where we are. I think we're in the middle of Norwich. No, in between like Manchester and Norwich somewhere. I can see lots of fields below and things. So that's my sister. And hopefully, yeah, I know what I'm getting for my dinner. It's probably going to be a chicken tikka because that's like the nice thing on the menu. And I've not had it yet in the flight review, so obviously I'm going to get that. So yeah, I'll be in my next clip. It'll probably be like a snack or something maybe. So hope you've enjoyed the flight review so far. And yeah, so please. Just to tell you, one of the things I really love about Jet2 is one of the things about their interior. Croatia isn't the only one they say. It's like every country they go to, and it's really, really nice. And I just think it's a really good touch to the Caribbean, like telling you every place they go to. So I've just ordered my meal, my chicken tikka. It's on the way, but just for a bit of a snack, I got a twirl and some Pepsi. So hopefully, because I'm just really starving at the moment. I hardly had anything in the terminal, so yeah, just getting some food now. Hopefully it'll come in about 20 minutes. So yeah, and hopefully it'll be nice because I've not tried it before. But I have tried the all-day breakfast and the penne pasta, so that was very nice. But anyway, we'll have a look at the other foods, like I will always on flight reviews. I'll always change it up a bit. My meal's just come. I'll show you it now. And there it is. Chicken tikka, very nice. So I'm just gonna stir it up and stuff, and then I'll come back to you guys. Let's have a try. Here it is. Yeah, very good. And it also comes with poppadom. Even better. So guys, I've just finished my meal. And if you want anything ever to fill you up on a Jet2 flight, if you're absolutely starving, get this chicken tikka because it filled me up like mad with the poppadom as well. It's really nice. I really, really like it. I'm being honest as well. Jet2 food generally is pretty nice, to be honest. So we've got about an hour, 45 minutes left of the flight. Hopefully we can just chill for that. And apparently the landing in Corfu is pretty exciting because you go around the mountain. So hopefully I can film that for you guys. And yeah, so I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the flight. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do basically, just for the past 1 hour 45. So just doing our descent to Corfu, about 20 minutes now. Just coming over all the mountains, and we're nearly there. We're currently over lots of mountains, and kind of like no man's land really. So yeah, landing in about 20 minutes. It's been a pretty nice flight, to be honest.